Welcome to another tutorial by EelDev. Today, we will continue with Steam multiplayer sessions and take a look at how we can create and join them. Let's go back to editing the session widget, where we will add a button for joining the session. Add a button and place it inside the horizontal box. Click on the spacer, and while holding down Control, press the D key on your keyboard to duplicate it. Then, move the duplicated spacer next to the button. Drag a text block onto the button and give it a clear, descriptive label. Select the button and give it a clear, descriptive name. Then, scroll down and implement the on-clicked event. While holding down the Control key, click and drag the session result variable onto the graph. Drag off the session result pin, select the Join SteamCore Pro session node, and add it to the graph. Add the player controller variable and include a couple of print string nodes as shown in the video to provide feedback on what's happening. We're now done with the session widget. Let's go to the game instance and set the correct UI mode and enable the mouse cursor so we can interact with the menu. Add the Set Input Mode UI Only node and connect it as shown in the video. Next, add the Show Mouse Cursor node and set it to True. That's all we need to do to create and join multiplayer sessions using the plugin. The next step is to package the game. In this example, I'm going to package the game and save it to my desktop, but you can choose any location that's most convenient for you. Packaging the game can take a long time depending on your system specifications. Now that packaging is complete, we're ready to test the multiplayer functionality of the project. The next step is to copy the compiled project files to another computer or virtual machine. You can find the requirements for testing Steam multiplayer and matchmaking in the plugin's documentation. I've now copied the compiled project files to a laptop beside me, which I'll use to host the session. We'll be joining the session from the screen you can see. Pressing Shift-Tab will bring up the Steam overlay, allowing us to confirm that Steam is running. We can also see that my other account is running the Space War game. I've now started hosting a session on my other computer. Let's see if we can find and join it. As expected, I was able to find and join the multiplayer session running on my other computer. Now I'm going to close the project and see if I can host the session on this machine and join from my other computer. I'm going to give the session a name before creating it, and then attempt to join it. In the bottom right corner, you can see me launching the Space War app on my other PC. As you can see, the other PC has joined successfully. There are now 2 avatars present in the game. That concludes the tutorial on creating and joining Steam sessions. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. If you need product support have questions, or would like to suggest new tutorials, feel free to join our Discord server. The link is in the video description.